Yo guys, just fitted this dash cam to this Range Rover Velar. Thing is a little bit of a beauty queen. Just press that start button. What should say hello? Good morning. It's still morning. Jeez, can't be morning for much longer. Alright, so the dash cam's there, and here's a fuse box, man. Oh, there's stock of fuse in there. Just in there, and then there's an earth point right behind there. Simple things. Let's put this back. Whoa, look at the beautiful interior. Also have a look at this. This is how to protect your Range Rover seatbelt lock. Very good. I love this car though. Look at that, lots of screens. I think that there's even might be a screen in there. I don't even know. That's crazy. Pillarless mirror, full panoramic roof, dual armrests, sort of like Alcantara interior. Whoa, yeah, the car's cold. Look at the phone holder. Jeez, my man's got all the gadgets. Nice. Anyway, I'm out of here today. On to the next one.